Sorry for the displacement of your camera view. This is my first time out on a kayak filming the ocean. And it's an inflatable one. This is the Intex K2 Explorer off of Check this out. We're coming up on a buoy. Hi, buoy. I think we're good for a moment. Dang, look at those waves out there though. This is such a cool angle that you don't really get to see. Usually I'm looking at these from the beach, but now I'm out here in the harbor, and this wave right here, you just saw that one crash over there, but the protection from that wall right there is preventing me from getting annihilated by that wave. At least I assume. This is definitely a nice little set here. Good. This is crazy. It's cool because like you're not used to it. You would see these big old walls of water coming towards you. You just like glide right over it. It's all good. Really cool. There's a lot of seals out here. There's a little home base back there in the harbor, but I see a bunch of them like popping up. I was here a couple of weeks ago when there were dolphins in here. Right, literally in the spot where I'm sitting right now. That was pretty cool. Almost about this time in the morning too. It's really interesting. My favorite bird in the whole wide world right there, California brown pelican. It's kind of hard. I got a fly on my hand. It's bugging me. Get out of here. Anyways, I'm spinning. As you can see, I'm now pointed towards, where's it at? Where's it at? There it is. Oceanside. That's where we are. We're in Oceanside. You want to go to the ocean? Go to its side. Right here in Oceanside. The one-hand powerless thing for a minute. Zoom out. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. I feel good sitting right here like this. Sorry for making this covering that. So yeah, like what I was saying is, you have those waves over there. I can zoom in on it, but if you watch right here, you'll see all the white water coming up. That's my protection right now. If that wasn't there, I wouldn't be filming right now. Let's just say that. Film for a few more minutes to get out of here. As in, keep paddling, because I like to paddle on the water in the morning. All right, quick life thought for a second. Dads, moms out there, if you have kids, have nightmares, I feel for you. My daughter had a nightmare like 2 o'clock this morning, screaming her head off. Came in to see what's up, gave her a hug. She asked if she could go in my room. I said sure. So I switched beds with her. I laid in her bed, she laid in my spot. And I never went to sleep. I was wide awake. There's a lot of interesting things going on in my world right now that I'm not going to share here, but yeah, they definitely had me up, and something popped up right there. I'll keep going while I talk. Yeah, so I literally laid in bed until about 4:30, and I decided, you know what? I was gonna get up at 5:05 to come and do this, but I might as well get up now. So I did. I got out here earlier. I'm really happy I did that because I would have just been wasting time laying in bed. I rested. I for sure didn't come late. I needed to lay down. But yeah, it got to a point where it was way too close to my alarm clock time to keep laying in bed instead of getting some more valuable time on the water right here. There's a jet ski going out to sea. Let's film for a second. Like and subscribe to this if you would want to do that. I'm gonna like and subscribe right now because I want to do that. That looks so fun. I had a buddy who used to tell me about going from Point Loma out to the Coronado Islands on a jet ski when he was younger. He said it was the funnest thing in the world. You're launching over waves in the ocean and whatnot. Big ramps, basically. Like you can see the water kind of coming in right here. I don't know if you can tell, but there's big old mounds of water that I'm like going up and down and up and down. And so on a jet ski in the ocean, you really catch air on it. I cannot keep this flat for the life of me. That's a new skill to unlock. I think they make like floating tripods or camera holders or something like that. that would help, but not today. Look, I was next to that one a minute ago, and I am now about this far away from it. I was almost touching it, and just sitting here, I floated over this way. I'm actually getting closer to this rock wall here, which means I'm gonna have to end this soon. I want to save a bird. If I can get a California brown pelican to fly over me right now, that'll be set and done. Or a UFO. I'll take one of those too. Ooh, what do we have here? Look right there. They surf. Look, they're flying low. There they go. Are you gonna see it surfing right? Oh, I'm gonna try to hold it steady. This is really hard. No, they flew over that way. Are they flying this way right now? Did I summon the birds? I did. Sorry, watch. There's the pelicans. These guys, like if birds are like planes, which they are, these are the fighter jets of the ocean. Like these are the naval fighter jets right there. They surf and fly in unison, and they're a big pack. They're a nice, awesome big bird. All right, I said that was it, and that's it. Bye. So I'm changing the name of my channel from Nature, Trees, and Seas San Diego to Nature, Trees, and Seas Nathan Davila. Because although I am in San Diego County and we'll be filming here a lot, I just posted a video from Utah last week, and I anticipate I'll be doing more stuff like that in the near future. So right now we are out here and there's a boat coming, so I gotta start paddling. Bye. was kind of cool. That's the energy of the wave continuing to go. It's kind of a slow moving wave, honestly. Here comes more. Wow, look at that. It's like mini waterfalls in front of me right now. There's more. They're gonna come. I'm like, I don't know, like 80 feet from that wall right now, probably. Oh, here comes more. You can hear it. My favorite part about Sunset Cliffs is this, like seeing all the water just come rushing down the rocks like that. can kind of hear when it's gonna come. It's so cool. Looks like there's more coming. Where's it gonna pop off though? Okay, I'll give you a bigger, wider shot. Just want you to know I have so many flies hitting up on me right now. In my last video I said this was it, but this is too cool to not film. I'm going to remember this forever. Alright, we might have one coming. That was a smaller set. There were some much bigger sets that came through a minute ago. And now turned around. I don't want to be facing this way. I'm going to one-hand this paddle real quick. It keeps pushing me. Heard it. Alright, look. It's kind of delayed. I can see a little bit of a set coming from right there. And I think that once it hits that, it's going to kind of time. Yeah, that wave just hit the rocks right now. So there could be, if there's more coming, it'll hit while this one's coming through. It's a pretty cool wave. Pelicans in action. Check it. Ooh, let's see how pro I can do this right now. That's a little too close, but we're gonna follow him. This is so difficult to do while sitting in a kayak. I like filming these birds on land. It's like, dang, this is really hard to do. We got it. We got it. I don't know if you can hear the roar of that water hitting the wall in front of me. Last time I said 80 feet, I think I'm about 60 feet right now. Let's just back to the wall. Oh yeah, we got a lot closer. That's cool. Nah, not really, actually. I'm kind of being exaggerated. We are still about that 80 to 60 foot range, I would say. Which apparently is cool. Look at this bird. Bye-bye, birdie. We're gonna follow you out. Where are you going? It's so distracting having all these little flies on me. If you're enjoying this video, can you please subscribe to my channel? If I get, I want to be able to live stream these. So like, set up the tripod, press go, and then if anybody wants to like follow along with me, they can. But I can't do that until I get 50 subscribers on YouTube. And I hate asking you to do that, honestly. But do it. If you're watching this right now, press like, subscribe to Nature, Trees, and Seeds. Okay? Try to get you one more. Oh, it's flat. Flat. It's going well. Let's put music together. I love my job, by the way. Talk about that first. I have work to do. It's a good thing I got up and, well, yeah, out of bed at 4 something this month to do this. Alright, follow this way. It's coming here. Alright, it should just hit right now. Look at this one. It looks like there's one. That one right there looks a lot bigger, wouldn't you agree? Yes! When I'm looking at it inside of this camera, it looks like a mountain of water, but it's not. It's only like a couple feet tall. Can you imagine if it was like a 7-foot swell? That wall of water would be 7 feet. And that would be fine, but it'd be a roller coaster of a ride. What we really want is to see it come over these rocks right now. That's what we're aiming for. Ooh, it did. You can kind of see it. No waterfall though. Oh, look. Okay. This one's a lot bigger. We have a set coming in right now. So here's this. As soon as I see it pop over this rock, I'm going to zoom over to it. Pan. Zooms up the rock. I'll pan over and zoom to it. Should be coming. Maybe. I love the ocean. It loves me. Let me get some good food. Covered in flies. I must have like 7 flies on me right now. You guys can help me film. Just look at this as. We want to see Nathan. What do you say? Let us film. Please, Nathan. People don't come over here and kayak like this too often. That's probably a lie, but I don't see anybody right now. Okay. Ooh, waterfall action. Is there more? There's this wave. Let's see. Oh, time's up. That was before this one came. So right about now we should be seeing one. Yeah! Alright, I got it. And then here comes the wave. So when we see the waves coming down the line, the water will hit a few seconds ahead of it. Let's time this out. If I get this, I'm turning my camera off for a minute. Alright, so here's the wave. Now getting closer, and I'm gonna pan right in front of me and say 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one's a lot bigger though. 3, 2, 1. Oh, check this one. I'm just gonna film these for a minute because they look cool. They look cool, don't they? I think they do. Zoom out.